Hey, this is Darlene with at realmeaning.info or at Real and Easy. Also, you can get me at that my YouTube handle at Real and Easy. But the video I'm getting ready to do is actually for my PowerPoint students. I'm so excited because they're doing so well. Some of them, though, are having a hard time getting the dictate command onto their ribbon so that they can actually, click on it and just start talking and stuff like that. It'll just be easy. It's not like you can't see it uh, right away like you used to be able to see it on Windows 10 PowerPoint. So this video, I'm going to be teaching how to add the dictate command to your PowerPoint ribbon. Okay. All right. I hope you enjoy this. Okay. Let's get going. All right. So step one, you're going to click on the Windows Start button. Step two, you're going to click inside the Windows search box underneath the Start button, and you're going to type inside the search box Control Panel. Now that control panel will come up, the icon usually on the right side. Click on that. When your control panel comes up, click on Ease of Access. After that, you're going to click on Speech Recognition. Now, when you do that, you're enabling that command not only for PowerPoint, but all across the software, the Office 365 platform, which now should come up.